Let's start working on this first 4 questions, and this is assignment problem for the homework number 5. I don't think this question will cost you lots of time, but here's the deal. We're trying to minimize the total travel time as I showed you in the during the lecture. And so what we do is copy the time, copy all the data. So basically we'll go here. We go to our Excel spreadsheet, the Excel version of POM, and we go to the chapters, go to the short-term scheduling. Okay. Oh, where is it? Okay, short-term scheduling, and go to the assignment problem. Okay, click that. So they will ask you how many questions. I think it's 4. 4 jobs and 4. We're minimizing the travel distances, so we're okay. So here we go. We paste the data. Oh, sorry. The data is missing, and we're going to copy it again one more time. So go here. Copy. And then we come back and paste. So we have the paste data, and then please everybody solve this. We should be able to, they ask you, what's that? Okay, that's okay. We solve it. All right, so this was assignment. And we should be able to read the number, and by the way, the total travel time will be 14 hours, right? Is that okay? All right, so this is a question number 1. Number 2, similar things, okay? But the question here going to be a little bit different. Okay, let me try this first. All right, so here is a 4 and a 4, 2. Okay, so here what I do, copy it. Okay, go to the Excel, and we paste it. We basically paste a new question. Okay, so we got here. But don't read this question because this, you always need to rerun the model. Okay, so let's see, rerun the model. And I hate these pages, but that's okay. So we have that, and so we have an assignment. So that means Chris will go to finance and, for example, go back. Then here is the answer, right? Chris will go to finance, okay? So for this answer, for this question is nothing, all right? But here's the one question. So what's the total? What's the total cumulative cost? Now, lots of people make a mistake by just 265 put it there. That's I would say that's kind of you overlook a very important part of the question, because it says these are minutes. Read, these are minutes, and say they are paid every hour $30. So $90, right? So an easy calculation will be, so the completion of this entire project gonna cost you 255 minutes. That means this number divided by 60, that's the number of hours, right? So that means you need 4.41 hours. And so each hour you're paying them $90. That's it, $397. Okay, $0.5. So this is the answer. So just be careful, read the problem. Okay. Question number 3. I don't think there's there's a problem. I'm not going to say anything about question number 3, shall we? Okay, so question number 4. Question number 4 is a little bit difficult, is a little bit just complicated, because we have 7 product and we have 8 factories. So in the class, we showed you how to do that, but right here, here's what I will do. And we're going to create a model, short-term scheduling, assignment problem. And here we're gonna say 8, because we got a 7 and 8. We pick up the greater number, so 8. Okay, 8 jobs. And by the way, we're going to minimize things, and sometimes you need to maximize. Okay, so just click OK, and here's we go back the data. We copy the data. Okay, and we go back, and we paste it. And they may ask you, okay, for the last one, they have a job 8. Because we got 8 factories, but the job 8, I don't know what to do. So here's what you need to do. We can call it, okay, we can call it a dummy. Okay, well, actually, okay, D-U-M-M-Y, all right? So this is dummy. And all the numbers should be 0, because this one doesn't exist. Now, if a dummy job assigned to one of the factories, that means this factory will not play any role in this game. So here's what happens. There we go. We got it. So here. So that means, which is dummy? Dummy assigned to 7. So that means the factory 7 doesn't do anything. And then all the other factories, you should be able to find out the mapping. There's no 7, right? Okay, and then the total cost will be 1.18. So that's pretty much of it. Okay, enjoy.